Hi guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to Honest Try TV. Today I'll be making the caramelized onion and chard ravioli with crispy bacon in sauce Amatriciana from Gobble. Probably butchering the hell out of that, but okay, here we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments, questions, recommendations down below. And there will be a referral code for Gobble in the description box below if you're interested in checking them out for yourselves. This video is not sponsored. Wah, wah. All right, let's go. My recipe is a little wet, so she's a little floppy here, a little soggy, but that's what we're going to be making. Hopefully mine will be as cute. All right, so step one is going to be to boil a pot of water and season with a large pinch of salt. So I'm going to go ahead and get that going over here. My stove is all shiny and clean. Ay, very excited about that. So let me grab a pot, a big pot, because I don't want any problems. And let's fill her with some water. Use my little pot filler here. I'm so proud. I've always wanted one of these, and we finally got one in our new house. A pot filler for the win. I'm so excited. So, pink Himalayan. Turn that off. Push her out the way. Bring you back down to focus on the main point of this video. And let's add our salt. Okay, hopefully that works. And I'm going to go ahead and put her on the middle eye on high so we can bring that to a boil. All right, let's come back over here and move on to the next step. When water comes to a boil, we're going to add our caramelized onion and Swiss chard ravioli to the pot. Gently stir together and reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. And then reserve a quarter cup, of the pasta water. So here's our ravioli. This came packaged with the proteins in the box if you saw the unboxing video. If not, check that out on our channel. Then we're gonna clean the cremini mushrooms as needed and then chop them into bite-sized pieces before placing them into a... Okay, so because this got wet, my instructions are damaged. So I don't know what was in there leaking. Guess we'll find out shortly, but that is one risk you have with your recipe card getting damaged inside. I mean, you can always look the instructions up online, worst case scenario. So we're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'll be using olive oil to the pan, bring it to medium heat, and then we're going to cook our mushrooms for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and get started on these steps and get this marinara sauce and stuff done. And then that way we'll be ready to just add the ravioli once it's done cooking. So let me grab my saute pan, slap some oil in there, and let's get our mushrooms going. Let's pour out the rest of our ingredients here carefully. I'm going to see if I can figure out what's leaking. So here's our cremini mushrooms. We've got shaved parm, basil, bacon, more bacon. We've got our, this seems to be intact. It just says Calabrian garlic confit. So what was making all of this mess? Maybe it's just condensation. The tomatoes seems to be, the marinara sauce seems to be intact. I mean, you'd see tomato sauce all over the bag if it weren't. And so I'm guessing it's just natural condensation because there's nothing else in here. Okay, so that can't be helped. But good news is nothing leaked. All right, so let me go ahead and get my saute pan and let's get our mushrooms washed and chopped up to size. Okay, I'm back. My mushrooms, Lord help me. It's the end of a work day, y'all. I'm tired. My mushrooms are clean, so let's go ahead, chop them up really quick. I've got my oil ready to go. Still waiting for my water to boil for the ravioli though. All right, so there we go. Got that chopped up, ready to go. Bringing you back over to the stove where I'm gonna toss these in. Come on, come on, come on, and come on. All right. Let me grab a spatula. Let you guys down. Okay, so I got this on medium heat in olive oil. Do I need to add salt or pepper? Yes, I do season with salt and pepper, and I cook it for 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and get that going. Pink Himalayan and some black pepper. Okay, here we go. Zoom in so you can see how we're looking. Spread my oil out. And everybody gets an opportunity. And my water is almost ready there. So we'll be back in another minute or so. Okay, for the next step, I need to add my Calabrian garlic confit and bacon bits. So here we go with the garlic confit. Break into that. Just tear it open. And dump it in. My water's just about ready. So I'm going to go ahead and add the ravioli. Alright, here's our bacon bits. Lord, and this is fully cooked bacon bits. If I can get into the package without destroying it and sending everything flying. Come on. Alright, there we go. So we're going to stir together and cook this for another 2 minutes. Alright. Sounds good. Alright. Okay, so we're going to add our ravioli to the pot over here, which is now boiling, as you can see. Okay, guys, so the ravioli has been added to the pot, and our mushrooms, Calabrian garlic confit, and bacon bits are just about done. Alright, so next up, we're going to let that cook for about 6 minutes. Alright. And in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and add our marinara sauce to the pan. Okay, so I just added the marinara sauce to the pan. I'm going to mix that in. Okay. Turn it down a little bit. It's popping quite a bit. Alright. Ravioli is simmering. Let me turn it up a little bit so it can simmer a little bit more. Sorry, I'm struggling to find a good temperature. Here we go. It was about to boil over, so I turned it down. I think I may have turned it down a little too low. There we go. Alright. So that's simmering, and that's almost done. All right, guys, so I just spooned my pasta into the marinara sauce and stirred it up, and this is how we're looking. I need to add a little bit of the residual pasta water in order to get my sauce to the correct consistency. Not that much because I like thick sauce on my pasta, but let me grab a spoon and I'll do that right now. So yeah, I'm going to grab some of this water, bring it on over here. Not too much, I don't want too much. Okay, let's start there. Let's stir this up. That might be it, actually. This was an easy recipe, guys. Like, we're basically done. This is it. I just add the Parmesan and the basil, and we're done. So let's go ahead and start plating. And turn off our stove here. Let me grab some bowls and let's get this done. Okay, so they were kind enough to send the parm already broken up into these convenient little pieces. So you just sprinkle it like so. And now I just need to break up my basil leaves and add those on top, and we'll be ready to taste test. All right, guys, and this is how we're looking. So I'm going to grab a fork and let's check it out. So I don't have much of a 360 to show you here. So I've got it in a bowl, but it smells amazing. Fresh Parmesan smells amazing. All right, so let's get some parm here. Let's pick you up, friend. And let's see how it is. Oh, it's hot. It's very hot. Lord. Smoking hot. I don't know if you can see that, but there's smoke still rising up off the sauce. All right, come on. Let's blow you for 10 years. Very good. The filling in the ravioli is nice. It's not like a smoky taste to it. I really like it. What's this stuff with again? Oh, it's caramelized onion and chard. Wow. It's got like a nice smoky flavor to it. I really like it. This is pretty good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 9. I really like it. I would totally make this again. And I will definitely order it again if it comes up. And I'm about to kill this bowl. So this has been the caramelized onion and chard ravioli with crispy bacon and sauce Amatriciana from Gobble. And that is my son in the background screaming his lungs out. So thank you so much for joining us. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments, questions, recommendations down below. This has been Nicole with Honest Try TV, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.